The Little Cloud Who Couldn't Rain. Best English Kids Story. Once upon a time, high above the hills, there lived a tiny cloud named Puffy. All the big clouds around him could rain and water the flowers below. But no matter how hard Puffy tried, he couldn't make a single raindrop. "Maybe I'm just too small," Puffy sighed, floating sadly through the sky. One day, he saw a little flower drooping in a dry meadow. Puffy wanted to help more than anything. So he puffed up his chest, squeezed tight, and gave it all he had. Plip! A single drop of rain fell and landed right on the flower. The flower perked up, smiled, and whispered, "Thank you, little cloud." Puffy beamed with pride. From that day on, he didn't try to rain like the big clouds. Instead, he sprinkled his tiny drops on the smallest flowers, just enough to help them grow. And so, Puffy became the hero of the little things, proving that even small clouds can make a big difference. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.